माला रोटी कर अभी।
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, guys. Cameras on, please. Let's start with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart and take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands. Open your eyes. Take a cross-leg position. Kneeling position. Knees together. Extend the arms to the sides. Bend your elbows. And we go 1, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. 10, up. 5 more, both. 1, lift. 2, lift. 3, up. 4, 5, and hold it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, shoulder rotation, big circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Interlace the fingers, push forward, lift, shoulders up to the ears. Inhale. Exhale, side stretch, tiny towards the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Inhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Last one, 8. Release the hands. Keep the palms facing down. Thumb inside, fingers on top. Make a fist. and only wrist rotation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7. With the fist in the money. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Bring the hands in front. Watch me first. You will make a fist. Squeeze the fingers. Exhale. Extend very sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Tabletop position. Press the palms down. Start bringing weight forward. Engage the core, pelvis in. Exhale, center. Don't bring it back, okay? So very subtle. Press hands forward and center. All the corners pressing. Fingertips active. 1. Center. 2. Center. 3. Center. 4. Center. 5. Center. 6. Pelvis in. Center. 7. Center. 8. Center. 9. Center. 10. And center. Flip the palms, fingertips towards the knees. Press the palms, hunch. And sit back towards the heels. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Release. Tuck toes under. Lift the knees up. Knee to chest. Back to tabletop floating. Knee to chest. And back. Here, guys, we want to press and hunch. Yes, always keeping this hunch. Yes, the knees are little away from the floor. Knee to chest, back. Core engage, back. Yeah? Let's go. 30 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and start. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Divya, the knees were up. 2, 1. Release. Very good. Guys, next one, we will take tabletop. 2 steps back into high plank. Heels together. Yes. Shift weight to the hands and keep it on your hands. Knee to chest. Slowly. Precision. Knee to chest. Back. Keep the glutes squeezed. Back. Yes? 30 seconds. Guys, here, practice the pressing against the mat. Practice the finger engagement. Yes? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Knee to chest and back, keeping the weight forward. Keep the weight forward, Anuba. Don't shift back. No. Keep the weight on the hands. Only the leg moves. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the knees down. Next one. Tabletop, legs back. Shift the weight. Knee to elbow. Slide to knee, to wrist. Lift to elbow and back. So core compression. Knee to elbow. I keep pressing the hands. I slide the knee. Back. Core compression to lift it. And straight. Yes. Alternate legs, guys. Super slow exercise. 1 minute. We need alternate legs. Slow reps. Yes. And focusing on keeping the weight on the hands pressing against. Okay. Core in. Pelvis in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And we go. Slide, knee and back. Knee to elbow, slide to wrist, up to elbow and back. One leg at a time. Continue, guys. Last 30 seconds. Come on, come on. Anuva, Nadi, come on. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Release. Take child's pose. Super, guys. Now, we will lay down on the floor. Palms down. Lifting the legs up. Open, close. Open, close. We want to focus on control. So I open slowly. Slowly I close. Straddle. Keep pressing lower back. And up. Yes. Don't bounce. Yes. Super control. As slow as you can. As slow as you can. As slow as you can. As slow as you can up. Yes. 1 minute. 10 reps. Three, 2, 1, and we go. Slowly, Pragya, slowly. Guys, control. Pointing the toes. Last 30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly release. Watch me for the next. You will extend the arms to the sides. Keep the right knee bent, point the left toes. You will go single leg, circle. Hip circle, yes? The pelvic bone remains on the floor. I don't lean till I touch. I keep pressing the pelvic bone against the floor. Core engage. and I move only the leg. 5 circles in, 5 circles out. And then same on the other side. Yes? Guys, don't lean on the right side or the left side, whichever side you're having the leg extended. The bone, your pelvic bone pressing down. So only the movement comes from the hip. Yes, from the hip joint. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. 1, pointing toes. Pelvis pressing down. Opposite leg, bend pranya on the floor. 2, control, guys. It looks easy. It's a challenging exercise of mobility. 3, arms to the sides in line with the shoulders, otherwise it crashes with your leg. 4, 5, and change. External. Open side, up, down. 2, 3. Pelvis on the floor, Terency. 4, 5, and change. External. 1, 2. Chintamani awareness, please. Press the pelvis down. 3, 4, and 5. We did both sides? 1. Extend the leg, Avinay. 2. Pointing toes. 3. Pelvis pressing, Avinay. Pelvis pressing. Your pelvis is going everywhere. Control. 4. And 5. Very good. Guys, this exercise seems silly, but they are not silly. Yes, it helps us isolate the movement on the hip. If we are not paying attention where the weight goes. Yes, if I'm just moving my leg like this, I'm leaning all the way to one side and then I'm going other side. The whole exercise is gone and the mobility is very limited. It's only the mobility, guys. I'm pressing the lower back. There's no space here. Yes? Only this. Yeah? Now, watch me. Arms to the side, legs up. You will open, struggle, go low like a hollow body, lift up. Option 1. Option 2, chin in. Yes. Straddle, low, lift. No arching of the lower back, no bouncing. Yes. If this is easy, you can go here or you can go here. Straddle, down, lift. Straddle, down, lift. Yes. 5 reps and then we go opposite. Yes, from the straddle, lift, down. So second round we will go. We will start straddle, up, down. Yes. Without any bouncing. Using the mobility, pressing the lower back down. Now we are starting all from up. Straddle, down, lift, and then we will start from the straddle, yes? Straddle, lift, down, sorry. Straddle, down and lift, yeah? 5 and 5. Choose your variation. Same variation for both options. Okay, let's go. 1. The feet don't touch the floor, guys. No bouncing, Chintamani. 2. Guys, attention to what we are doing. 3. Control your core. 4. 5. 'Reverse from straddle, low line,
Patty,
up, yes.
I have some sound like just cut like on that one.
Yeah, on the hip.
Is it all normal?
This is okay. It's sometimes there's some air in the joint. So you hear click, 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 click.
Yes.
As long as there's no pain, it's all good. Guys, opposite direction, straddle, low line like hollow back, lift up both legs at the same time, and then again straddle, low line, lift, and again, 2, up, open, 3, low, lift, 4, last, very good, release, very good. Last one, guys. You will press the hands, start in tuck position. Yes, you will tuck, exhale, tuck, straddle, tuck, exhale. Option 1. Option 2, chin in, tuck, exhale, tuck, straddle, tuck, exhale. Option 2, lift, tuck, exhale, tuck, straddle careful with the hands. Yes, keep them low so you can open. Option 4, tuck, exhale, tuck, straddle. Guys, we want to be precise. Straddle is in line with my hip. Yes? So I really make sure I'm not opening the straddle here or I'm not doing this. Straddle is here. Yeah, this is the same that it's going to be upside down. So we start training it on the floor. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Tuck, extend. Tuck, straddle. 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 And come to tuck, release. Take a moment of rest, 30-second rest. Good. Now, we will open straddle on the floor. Feet a little bit wider than your hips. Yes? Now, keep the knees bent, heel down, toes up. You can keep it here, you can keep it here if the toes are reaching down. Otherwise, here, knees bent. Interlace the fingers behind, press the sitting bones, and from the pelvis, we fold 1. Again, 2. Keep the heels down, toes up, or feet here. It doesn't matter, but the knees are pointing to the sky. It's not an external rotation. We keep it centered. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, heels down, knees up. And 1. And we go 1, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. 10, hold it. Without touching the floor, spine straight, folding from the hip. Keep the knees bent there and see, Pragya. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Use the core to come up. Very good. Now, we will open 90 degrees straddle. Slide down with the hands, maybe here, maybe more, maybe full flat. Always from the pelvis. Yes, so this is like cow position. There's no point in being here. I press the hands, I press the sitting bones down and I open. This is beautiful and effective. If I'm doing this, there's no stretch and also no beautiful. So we want beautiful and effective both. Yes, press the sitting bones, open pelvis. Here, here, here. Whatever you do, open and think of spine long, spine long. Yes? Toes facing up. We hold 1 minute. If any of you is feeling extra comfortable, full belly touching the floor, you can elevate the heels. Only those who are fully touching. Yes, you go heels on top and fully down. That will give you the extra stretch on your legs. Okay? Only those who are fully touching will take blocks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go. Chintamani, no blocks, your belly is not touching. There will come the time, belly fully touching, guys, if you are using the blocks. Yes, Pranya? Keep pressing heels, open pelvis. Yes, Pragya, relax your head, no need for tension. Yes, look down. Stay with the breath, guys. Last 30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lifting up. Good. Now, last one here on the floor. We will take the blocks next to your ankles. One leg at a time. Yes. Legs open a little bit wider than your hips. So hip distance is this, a little bit more. Not a full straddle. We will bring the fingertips next to the knee. Lift, touch, lift, floor. Lift, touch, lift, floor. How am I lifting? Legs, both of them, even the one that is not working right now, are fully activated. Quads engaged, toes up. I press and I'm hunching a little bit, guys. There's a little bit of hunch. I press the sitting bones down, otherwise it will collapse back. So I press and hunch. Neighboring, if I know how to squeeze the neighboring and up, Uddiyana Bandha, pelvic floor, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. Yes, now press the hands, hunch. Exhale, core engage, that makes the leg lighter. Lift, touch, lift, down. Yes, don't try to lift it out of pure strength. Contract everything, it will be easier. It will be like almost mechanical. Yeah? Let's go. One leg at a time. Ready? Fully engage the legs, toes up. Contract the muscles. Both legs engage, Divya. Both legs. Ready? 3. Terence, see the blocks next to the ankle, the fingertips next to your knee. Because we want to touch heel to the block, heel down, heel to the block. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up, touch, down, up, touch, continue. 2, 3, Urvashi, wrong exercise. One leg at a time, listen. 4, single leg, the heel goes, touch the block, floor, touch the block, floor. I lost the count, guys. 2 more, I guess. Those who stopped, 2 more. How many of you are feeling lightness in the leg? Raise the hand. One, two, three. Anuva, did you raise the hand? Urvashi, yes. Chintamani also lightness. Good. Pradnya? Nidhi? Yes, good. Divya, your screen is frozen, I think. Avinay, are you feeling this lightness on the leg? Yes or no? Something wrong with the internet, I guess. Chintamani, yes. Terency? No? Yes. So everyone, Divya, your internet is back. Are you feeling the lightness on the leg? Yes, or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes, amazing. Anu?
Yes,
Also?
yes.
Yeah. No. Okay. Anuva? Yes or no? Did you feel lightness on the leg? Yes? Cramps? Yes. Good. Guys, those who are not feeling the lightness on the leg, redo your checklist mentally. Am I pressing the sitting bones down? Yes? Urvashi, the exercise is this. Blocks either side. Am I pressing sitting bones down? Am I having my fingers next to the knee? Hunching, pressing, navel in and up. Exhale, I lift, touch, lift, down. The leg has to be fully engaged. If it's a bit dead or not engaged fully, it won't be able to lift. Yeah? So we try second side. Again, we go through the mental checklist. Sometimes one side goes easier also. So maybe this is happening. Observe if there's any difference between one side and the other. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we start. Lift, touch, lift, touch. Continue. 2, up, down, block, lift, floor, block, down, lift, floor, block, down. 3, lift, floor, block, down, lift, floor, block, down. Last one, lift, floor, block, and down. Very good. Now, second exercise. We open the legs a little bit wider. Still, I'm not in the 90 degrees, a little bit wider. Blocks on the inside of your ankles. Yes? Fingertips at the top. Touch, outside. Touch, outside. Touch, outside. Yes? Again, same mechanics. I press sitting bones down, I hunch. I create this with the fingertips. I touch and out. One touch. Yes? Leg again, guys, fully engage. 7 reps. 3, 2, 1. And we start. 1, 2, 3. Core Chintamani. Toes up. 4. Try. Hands the spine, Anuva. Don't open the legs too much. 5. Very good, Urvashi. 6. 7. Good. Release the blocks. We will lift and hold 10 seconds, 2 rounds. Same leg distance, lift and hold 10 seconds. Round 1, we rest and then 10 seconds again. Guys, fully engage everything. Yes, in case of doubt, you engage. Everything. If you lose a little bit of the core, the legs also lose. If the leg is not fully contracted, also an issue. Yeah, everything has to be precise. Maximum focus to help you lift, exhale. But when you are up, you need to keep breathing. Don't hold your breath for 10 seconds, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lift and hold. 10, 9, 8, Anu up. 7, 6, Divya press. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Super. Very good. Again, we try. Second round. Maximum focus. 3, 2, 1. And up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Now, watch me. We'll go towards the wall. Well, actually, you will watch from here. Yes. Socks, everyone. Now, we go arm distance from the wall. So you take your tabletop, measure one arm back, arm distance. Press the palms down, look down towards your thumbs. Lift the hips. You can jump. You can walk up the wall. Straight line. One step inside. You will untuck the toes with the top of the feet and the socks. You will open, straddle and hold. Now here, if I don't control the core, the pelvis will start to open. So I need to squeeze the glutes, bring the pelvis in, keep pressing hands. We hold 30 seconds. To come out, you can come towards the side. Yes? One round, 30-second hold in the straddle. Ready? Socks, socks, everyone. Anuba, if you have socks, better because the sliding will be harsh without the socks, huh? Three, two, one. Coming up. Straight line. One step inside, two steps, depending how far you are. Open straddle, slow and control. Hold it. Time is on. Press the mat away with the hands. Shoulders up, lifting to the ears. Hips up, Avinay, hips up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Terensi Chintamani Pranya and Urvashi, very good. Anu and Pradnya and Pragya. The legs are in a B shape. We try to open a little bit more. You don't have to open fully. That depends on your hip mobility. But don't let's say, there is a difference, right? Some of you are with the B shape like this instead of a folded one. It means like some of you feels like you went into the straight line and separate the legs instead of open from the pelvis and go. Yeah, watch me from the side, guys, in case there is doubt. Watch the pelvis from the side. Yes. I measure my arm distance from the tabletop. Press the hands, lift and go up. Any which way you want. Straight line, squeeze the glutes. One step in. If your steps are tiny, two steps. 1, 2. Yes. Untouch the toes. Squeeze the glutes and open your straddle. And then we hold. Yes, some of you feels like you're here. Open a little bit the pelvis to allow the mobility. Yeah? Second round. Second. Let's go. Everyone at the wall. Open, straddle and hold. Yes, Anuva, eyes down. Anu, yes. Nidhi, yes. Pragya, yes. Avinay, yes. Eyes down, Avinay. Pradnya, yes. Chintamani, yes. Much better. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming down. Wrist rotation. Opposite. Up and down. Very good. Now, we will add one more shape. We will go straddle, tuck. Straddle, tuck. Watch me from the side. Same measurements. Arm distance. Press the hands, lift the hips. Up, up, up. One step if it's big, or two steps if the steps are small. I open, straddle. With the toes, I need the core, and squeeze the glutes, guys. Because then I have to open again my straddle. If the glutes are not working, this starts to happen. If the core is not working, this starts to happen. Yes, so I press and bring the core, engage. Glutes also. 1, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yeah, we try for 5. Slowly. 4, and so on. Yeah? Now, the core has to be engaged, guys. Yes? We move slow. Shoo. Slow. Yeah? Ready? Everyone coming up the wall. Legs up. Open straddle. Press the hands. Exhale. Open. And 2. Open. And 3. Open. And 4. Open. And 5. Slowly coming down. Wrist rotation or wrist compression, bringing the wrist inside of the knees. Squeeze maximum in Malasana. And you will open and close the fingers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Again. One more. Watch me. Same distances. Yes. Arm. Pressing hands. Lifting up. 1, 2 steps. Open. Tuck. Squeeze the glutes up. Open. Tuck. Squeeze the glutes. Open. Tuck. Squeeze and lift. Without the glutes, this can go very disaster, yes? You open here, you tuck, and by the time you want to come up, it's not coming. It's going something like this. Squeeze the glutes core. Keep squeezing the glutes. Keep squeezing the glutes, engaging the core. Up. Core and glutes play a very important role here. Yeah? Maximum extension. Yeah? Slowly. Don't try to rush it in the beginning, yes? Straddle tuck, straight line. Straddle tuck, straight line. Yeah? 5 reps. You can take break. Guys, if you need a break in between reps, go down. Yeah, we aim total 5. Whenever you're ready, coming up. Add your own rhythm, 5 reps. Super. Five reps total. Those who finish, come down. Guys, we will do reverse. Yes? Coming up. So now we were doing straddle, tuck, straight, straddle, tuck, straight. Yes? So now opposite. Tuck, straddle, straight. Tuck, straddle, straight. Tuck, straddle, straight. Yes? 5 reps. Tuck, straddle, straight. Yes? Tuck, straddle, straight, guys. Up the wall, 5 reps. Tuck, straddle, straight. Very good. Urvashi, careful on the way up. The straight line from straddle. Squeeze the glutes to come straight line. Untuck the toes, Chintamani, otherwise it's very difficult. Yes, Terency? Pradnya, lower more in the tuck. Yes, yes, yes. Now straddle. Squeeze the glutes up. Straight line. 5 reps only, guys. 5 reps. Feeling good? Super. Now, how many of you are feeling lightest on the wall? Lightest. Like almost like nail touching. Very lightweight. If someone is there, raise their hand. Urvashi is there. Good. Now guys, we will try to shift more weight to the hands. So again, the same that we did before. Straddle, tuck, straight, 5 reps. The only difference between the previous rep and this one is that now we are going more weight on the wall. Oh, sorry, on the hands. So the wall will feel lightest. You will feel almost like you're releasing the wall. Yes? On the toes, on the nails. So you need more control. There's more weight on the hands. You're always ready to fall sideways. In case you fall, sideways always. Yes? Pay attention to the moves, guys. Now we cannot move as fast. Because now we are almost with no weight on the wall. So very conscious movement, yeah? Straddle, tuck, straight, 5 reps, and then we will go again. Straddle, straight, and tuck. Yeah? Same reps, same flow, sorry. Different variation. Questions? Guys, are we lost? More weight on the hands, more weight on the hands. That's the only difference. We are doing the same 2 flows. Only that we are going more light on the wall. Those who were, keep tucking the toes. Press with the top of your feet, top of the toes to help you slide. If you have your toes tucked under, it's very difficult. And it keeps pushing you back and away. Yeah? Try? Everyone towards the wall. Final 2 flows, 5 reps each. Pragya. Hello, good morning. Everyone towards the wall. Untuck the toes, everyone. Straddle, tuck, straight line. 5 reps, lightest on the wall. Most of the weight is on the hands. Yes, Terency? Lightest on the wall, Avinay. Lightest. Move slow, consciously. Straddle, tuck, straight line. Anuva, Divya, come on. Pragya, try. No doesn't exist, guys. The word no doesn't exist. We always try. straddle tuck, straight line. Straddle tuck, straight line. Yes, Divya, keep the hips on top of the shoulders. Straddle, tuck, straight line. Straddle, good. Anuva, tuck, straddle, okay, straddle, tuck, knees together, straight line, as much as you can. Good. 5 reps only. Those who have finished, final round, other flow, yes? Straddle, straight, and tuck. Those of you who are now doing this one, do the opposite. Some of you were doing the previous one. Yes, there's 2 flows, guys. With it straddle, tuck, straight line. And then with it straddle, straight line, and tuck. So now some of you were doing straddle, straight line, and tuck. So those who do this, do the opposite. Whatever you didn't do. Yes, don't repeat the same. Ready? Anuba,
Ready, I
the
feel,
wall
yeah, I feel improvement in myself.
picture there.
And that,
You need the wall
now,
with the straight line is not possible.
yeah, I am telling this, I can walk today.
You can
I
walk
can walk.
today.
Yes.
Amazing.
Opposite wall.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yes,
But
that's a good
that's
improvement.
because now you cannot do the straight line. There's a picture
Yeah.
on the wall. So you're
Yeah.
the exercise half. If you have another wall that you can use, please use it.
Yes.
It's also very dangerous. If this falls on you, I don't want to think about it. Yeah?
Yes.
Sometimes we kick by mistake. I don't want this to happen. Yeah? Guys, everyone, second and last, lightest on the hands. Yes, Divya, I know. We will stretch after. I know. 1, 2 reps. A try. Babe, negotiate with me. 1 try, 2 tries. Let's go. Last minute. Urvashi, what happened? Hips up. Yes, Terency. Abhinay, slide. Yes, tuck. Slowly. Abhinay, also for next class, try to get a plain wall. This is a wardrobe, I believe. It's gonna be painful. Pradnya, yes, lower the tuck, yes. Slowly coming down. Sit in Malasana, wrist on the inside, squeeze, open and close. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really sit down. Take a sitting position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the illness that comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Bring the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your eyes through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. A beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Patty, for a beautiful class.
Thank you so much. Super, guys.
Thank
Super
you.
slow.
Thank you.
Yes. New
Thank
wins
you, ma'am.
for the jar of wins. Slowly, slowly, we collect the fruits of the effort. Yeah. Super,
Yes,
guys. You need
ma'am.
to be proud of this.
Ma'am,
Thank
first
you.
time I stay with wall.
First time you stay with the wall? What do you mean?
Long time, long time.
Long time. Beautiful,
Yeah.
huh? Divya, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Proud. Yeah?
Thank you. Because of you, ma'am.
Because of you also 50-50, no?
Yes, true.
50-50.
Yes.
If I don't do good my job, also you don't learn. So it's a 50-50. Yes? Super, guys.
Happy Guru.
Two more.
Happy Guru Purnima, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Divya.
Happy.
Thank you, guys. I'll see
Happy
you
Guru Purnima.
tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.